think he doesn't like the game anymore.
Are you gonna do it for Uncle Trevor?
Hey, Caleb. Hey, bud. There you go. Oh, he's got a lot of drool coming out there. Bubbles galore.
Oh, Caleb, you're so silly.
You can teach him to do it with his. Oh.
You wonder, because I used to do that to him all the time.
Really?
Remember when I would sit there and just do that to him in his face for like hours? I would do that. I haven't done it recently, but I was doing it.
Learned it pretty well.
Yeah, he
A few
did.
weeks ago.
Yeah, I don't think I knew that.
Remember when I would take his feet and go like this?
Yeah.
Has he started doing that yet?
Good job practicing those consonants, Caleb.
Mm-hmm. He's all hiccuped out. It's hard on the diaphragm. Can make a soundtrack of this. He can be singing like Mary Had a Little Lamb, different spit tones.
I wonder if we'll hear it on the way home.
And he'll be practicing in the backseat.
Yeah, because I never heard it on the way here.
Maybe he was practicing the entire ride here.
Probably doing it on the fly like
Right.
everything else.
Caleb, should I be worried about you?
He's just a some one-man band. It's like a motorboat or something. Oh. Good call, wipe your mouth. You were getting a lot of spit there.
That was very purposeful, I'm
Like
sure.
you saw me, grabbed it, wiped his mouth, and let go. You might have scared out his hiccups. Oh no. Such luck. Yeah, you're a good time. You just gave me the eye. Yeah.
He's showing off for you,
Yeah, you know it. Gotta show off for his aunt. What can I say? Beating his chest, spitting. Very masculine traits.
No question about it, you're a boy.
Yeah.
No question about it.
I wonder how much of his personality is Y chromosome and how much is just baby, you know, his baby personality.
Well, he's a very well-mannered baby. He wipes his mouth.
He seems really active to both Amber and myself. He just seems like he moves a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if that's a boy thing or if that's just the way that's a personality.
Look at that adoring face staring up at mommy.
I love you. I love you.
I wish there was a quick hiccup here, because it's just making me cringe with pain to hear all these hiccups that he's going through.
They say that babies have more hiccups. And he's actually outgrown having hiccups to some degree. He had lots and lots of hiccups when he was really little.
After every feeding, really.
Little
It
piggy.
seems like.
This little piggy little. This little piggy's little. This little piggy had recipe. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried wee 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 all the way home. Oh, the joy. His toes curl like right around my thumb, like a hand.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got an opposable toe curl. Whoa. Really doesn't cry very much. He does. Really pleasant.
If you'd like to sit in the room.
That'd be lovely. I'm gonna have to go kind of soon. I've got to drive back.